hardware for something. Genuine bolts.
Look at that. I'll be damned.
Numbers on them. Fine thread. 3/8. Probably rear motor mount. Yep. These are 3 bolts that hold the motor mount in. 3 on the case. Back of the Sportster. The 2 bolts here are going to the frame.
Alright.
Mount to the frame. I don't know why I got the frame mounted out. I don't see a motor mount in the box. Some more hardware. Genuine bolts again.
Genuine. Look at that.
Where do you think these go?
No clue.
No clue?
Maybe the regulator.
Nope. I had 2 studs come out.
Oh.
Could be this.
Well, yeah.
Or in front of the rear fender they have a little rubber piece that keeps from vibrating and breaking the fender like they always fall off. But they're always gone when the rubber's gone. So the fender's about this long, just vibrating and breaks it.
Huh.
These go in the back of the frame to hold that piece in. But they're probably off of this bracket here, to be my guess. Because I bought this piece, I didn't buy the other piece.
Oh. Yeah.
And the only other thing they would hold on the whole bike is the ignition switch mounted underneath the seat on the right side. They had 2 screws that held the switch cover housing that held the frame. They had the same bolt like this too. But I think that's the later model. That's the later 60s. I don't think they did it in the 50s bikes. Because they had the switches up in the handlebars where they belong.
Yeah.
Or in the dash, I should say. So these would not be for that of this application. So these are cam cover screws. They match my cam cover. This one's always the longest one, but they don't always give you a long one to use. See, that one's too short. So this one goes here, this one goes here, this one goes over here. So you tell that? See all that?
Look at that. Like you've done that before.
So this is the longest one. It should be a 1/4 inch longer, but they only give you a few threads.
Yeah.
That's how Harley does it. This one gets shorter here. It keeps, you know, it's going downhill, but they keep using the same bolts. And they probably use the same on the back here too. No, that is shorter. See, these are the same. So this one and this one are probably the same. See?
Yeah.
These 2 are short, and this one's short. These are the shortest ones because they're real low. See?
Yeah.
And this high one over here is the same as this one over here. So you got 4 of them. They're this length, 2 that length, 3 that length.
All right.
You got a set. Of course, they're all straight slot, so they fit good.
Fancy.
And then we have oil mounting hardware. These are factory coil bolts. Take them off the frame. The down tube of the frame behind the motor. These come off the frame. And they hold the coil cover and coil on the bike.
Oh.
And the washer, I don't think goes with that. I'm not sure what that would go with. If I had to guess, I'd say it goes with the motor mount, but who knows. And this is the countersunk air cleaner screw, which also holds the coil cover on. I'm guessing that's why it's there. So there you go. Alright, that's it for the hardware.